Floods. Floods are one of the most devastating natural disasters that can occur in any part of the world. They can be caused by a variety of factors, including heavy rainfall, melting snow, coastal storms, and dam failures. Floods can cause significant damage to infrastructure, homes, and crops, and can also lead to loss of life. So friends, today we have prepared today's video for you with some footage of floods. So, without wasting any more time, let's start today's video. Guys, pay close attention to this car and see what happens next with this car. However, luckily no one was in the car at the time and there were no casualties. Guys, this incident happened in Pakistan. However, if the cars had delayed a little on the road, there would have been a high chance of a major accident. But fortunately, that did not happen. Guys, here it appears some tourists were busy watching the ocean waves and they looked like they were very happy. But see what happens to them after a few seconds. Friends, this terrible flood happened in China. Here it is seen that one after another the cars are floating in the flood water. Yes friends, you guys seeing right. Here, it appears that water is entering the bus haphazardly. And by the actions of the bus passengers, it seems that they were not at all prepared to face such an event. Guys, it is not known where this terrible flood took place. However, seeing the cars washed away one after the other, it is clear that the damage caused by this flood was extensive. Guys, pay attention to this car ahead and see what happens. Anyway, fortunately, the car and the people inside the car were rescued after this incident. It seems that the residents of this city were not prepared for this situation. It seems that the flood waters have entered this city unexpectedly. Guys, pay close attention to this space and see what happens. After watching the video, it seems that the policemen inside this car came to the aid of the people in danger in the flood, and they themselves got into danger. This flood water looks like a monster coming to destroy everything. Guys, it is seen here that some policemen are badly trapped in the flood water, and common people are helping to rescue these trapped policemen from the flood water. Anyway, friends, this incident happened in a South Asian country. Guys, take a look at this person. It's evident from the way he's holding his head that he's suffered a lot of damage in this disaster. This flood's water wave looks like a monster. Guys, in this video we can see that the flow of the wild water was so strong that two people were being swept away. But they were lucky that a person extended his hand and rescued them. Guys, this incident happened in China. Friends, here it is seen, a man is trying to climb the roof of his house, fearing to be washed away by this terrible flood water. Friends, perhaps you have realized by now, or at this moment, upon seeing these vehicles being swept away, how terrifying the flood was and how much damage it caused to people. Friends, this incident happened in China, where two people can be seen floating in the flood water. However, these two individuals were later rescued from the dangerous current of the flood water. Guys, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching the video for so long patiently. If you like the video, you can like and comment. And if you want to see such strange and interesting videos, you can subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon next to it. See you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay well. Thank you.